Hello to everyone. I hope you all doing well. Today, how can create professional email? First, we will go to the Chrome and after click on new tab, Google domain. We find Google domain. Now click on Google domain official site. Like someone want to create an account, create a professional email like contact at. Someone want to create an professional email info. Someone want to create a professional email first name in at after that .ca.us. Now I want to create a professional email like by my first name, Rafi Siraj. Get it. There is many options. Expensive, cheaper one. Which one do you want to buy? I recommend to you to buy the cheaper one. Just it cost is like $10, $12. This all prices just when you pay one time, it's work for one year. Just now I find the name, the professional email, to choose the one. M Rafi Siraj 1.ca. Add to cart. Click here. When you add to cart the professional email, just click on here. Yeah, just you come here, click on checkout. Next, enter your password. Name, save and continue. Add credit or debit card, click here. When you put your card number, they will cut money from your bank account. Now click here on email, click on add email. We'll put contact, coffee, original email, and we will paste here at contact at mrafisraj1.ca. Now we found contact at mrafisraj1.ca. Now we completed the domain process. Go to the Gmail and click on the picture here. Click on manage your Google account, and after that click on security. Here you see two-step verification. Click here and get started. You need to put your Gmail password. See more options. Text or voice call. You need to put your contact number. Text message. Next. You will get on pin code. Put here your phone code when you got it. Next. Turn on. Yeah, already we put the verification code in, also turn on. Next step, click here, click on manage your account, and go to security. Before you saw here two-step verification, now you see a password. Click here, enter your password, copy your professional email address, copy here, paste here, and generate. you will get one password. Now go to the Gmail, click on setting, see all setting, add another email address, click here. We will paste the professional email address here. Go to next step. Now we see SMTP. Remove that letters and write here gmail.com. Remove the name and copy the email address and paste here. Here we will paste the password when we generate it. Where is this password? Copy and paste. Go to your Gmail address, copy this confirmation code and paste here. Verify. All done. Now let's see to check it. See all setting, account in and vote. Now we see contact at imrafisraj1.ca. When we see just two options, reply from the same address the message was sent to. Always reply from the address currently, like this. We will choose that one, reply from the professional email. Now we will test the email address. Compose 2 by another email address. From click the professional email. Subject just test. Here test, send it. Now we will go to the another email address to check it. No, this is not promotion. Yeah, here contact. Yeah, I got it, the email. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel.